Hello students, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Magic of Maths. Beta, continuing with the NAS series, we have reached the assignment number 5 of NAS, that is class 10th mathematics. But before that, please do subscribe to my channel for all the updated videos and like and comment in the comment section below. So let's begin with assignment number 5, class 10th mathematics, LO based worksheet for NAS test preparation. Students, the first question goes, if the HCF of 65 and 117 is expressed in the form of 65m minus 117, then what is the value of m? Beta, you must read all the hints which are given because they will be helpful to you. The hint given in this question is the HCF of a given numbers can be expressed as their linear expression. जो भी दो नंबर्स का HCF होता है हम उसको लीनियर एक्सप्रेशन के फॉर्म में एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. So for doing this question, first of all we have to find the HCF of 65 and 117. The method of finding HCF, all of you know. First I will write the prime factors of 65 and 117. Students, you know that 65 can be written as 5 multiplied by 13. These are the prime factorization of 65. And for 117, you can write 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13. So from here, you can find that the HCF of 65 and 117 is 13. Now what you have to do is, you will write 65m minus 117 is equal to the HCF. And what value of HCF have you calculated? That is 13. Left hand side pe 117 is subtracted. When it will go to right hand side, it will get added. So 117 plus 13, that gives you 130. Here 65 and m are multiplied. So when 65 goes to right hand side, it gets divided. And when you divide 130 by 65, you get the answer as 2. So my correct option is option B, that is 2. Next question, you have to find the LCM of 452 and 340. Beta, there are many methods. You can do it by the prime factorization or you can do it like this. 452 and 340, you have to find the LCM. So I will go do by this method. This is a very common method which you all are well aware. Both of them are divisible by 2. So when I divide 452 by 2, you get 226. And when I divide 340 by 2, you get 170. Again, both of them are divisible by 2. Here you get 113 and here you get 85. Now 113, students, is a prime number. So it will go at 113 only and 85. But at this step, when only one number is left, so you need not make the factors. So you can do it directly. Many students first do it by 5, then 17, like that. But there is no need when there is a single number. So you have to find the LCM. That will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 113 multiplied by 85. That gives you the answer as 38420. When you multiply, you get the answer as 38420. I hope the question is clear to you. Moving on to question number 3. You have to find that at how many points the decimal representation of 2489 divided by 2 raised to the power 7 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3 will end. Beta, you know that the numerator is neither divisible by 2 because the last digit is 9. Odd है तो वो 2 के टेबल पे नहीं जाएगा. Neither it is divisible by 5, so it cannot be cancelled in any form. This is the lowest form. So what you have to do is, जब आपके पास lowest form में आ जाए तब आपने 2 और 5 की powers देखनी है. अब इसमें 2 की power है 7 and 5 की power है 3. So you have to consider the highest power. Highest power है 7. So your answer is 7. तो जब आप इसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करोगे तो डेसिमल के बाद 4 प्लेसेस आएंगी, 7 प्लेसेस आएंगी स्टूडेंट्स. Next, question number 4. What is the mean of first 11 natural numbers? Students, you know that natural numbers start from 1. So this is a very easy question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. These are my first 11 natural numbers. What I have to do? I have to find the mean, and for finding the mean I told you the formula, sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So I am adding all the observations and I will divide them by 11. So when you add them you get the answer as 66, and when you divide 66 by 11 you get the answer as 6. So the mean of first 11 natural numbers is 6. Then question number 5th. The median of 19, 24, 27, 28, x plus 2, 35, 38, 42, 43 is 31. You have to find the value of x. Beta, you can easily see median के लिए आपने हमेशा याद रखना है that the data has to be arranged in ascending or descending order. And in this question, the data is already arranged in the ascending order. So we do not need to change the order. अब इसमें already the order is arranged. So the central value represents the median. So I will start underlining from the extreme values, one from left side, one from right side. So I will get the central value as x plus 2, and the central value x plus 2 represents the median, and median is already given to you as 31. So when I solve this, I get x is equal to 31 minus 2, that is 29. So my correct answer is option C, that is 29. I hope students the assignment is clear to you and you all will solve these assignment. In case you have any doubts, any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay students, till then do subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay home.